move here. I don't know if you can see it. I can glad. But I'm looking at damage. Gotta fix that. I'm gonna clear all this black stuff, old black paper tar off. I already started up there. Let's help me careful. You slip on this crap. But patched up a couple of holes right here. I'm just gonna go on and seep them up. Big holes right there. Right there. Scrape all that off. Put that paper down and it should be repaired. That's the main thing right there though. Big hole. And the big hole is right there. I think I'm gonna put some of that stuff on there. Yeah.